Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this purple chunky glitter makeup look, and I certainly hope that you enjoy it. First off, I'm applying my concealer all over my eyelid just to make sure that my eyeshadow pops a bit more and also lasts longer. And now by using my fingertips, I'm just dabbing it just to set it, as well as to make sure that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. Now I'm using the Bobbi brown eyeshadow, and this one is called Black Plum, and I'm applying it on the corner of my eyes as well as on my crease area. Then here I'm using the Alyssa from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going in with the eyeshadow called DDC. And then just above that I'm going in with the eyeshadow again from Bobbi brown, and this one is called Blush Pink, just to kind of blend in those two eyeshadows together so they don't look harsh. Then just cutting my crease just halfway towards the end of my eye, not all the way, because this is where I'm going to be applying my glitter. Again from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going in with a purple shade, and that one is called Believe. And this one's gonna be the base for a glitter. I'm going in with L.A Girl glitter, and this one is called Party Girl. It's a beautiful purple with a mix with a little bit of bronze, and I love this because it makes the look so beautiful. I love their glitter, and you actually don't need glitter glue for it. Then I'm using the L.A Girl eyeliner in gel, and this one is beautiful and it goes on very smoothly, and this is what I'm using to underline my waterline as well as the top of my lashes, making sure that I wing it just a little bit. Using my blending brush, I'm just smoking out that lower lashes a bit, and also applying the same shades as we did on top. Using the BYS white cream liner, I'm just lining my waterline just to make my eyes look awake and pop a bit. Now I'm going in with a silver chunky glitter just to make everything look va-va-voom, if you know what I mean. Then again from Alyssa from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going in with that highlighter or eyeshadow called Inspire, and this is what I'm using to highlight my brow bone as well as the tear dots of my eyes. Going in with Essence Big Lash Mascara. That's what I'm using to kind of like make sure that both my fake lashes and my natural lashes blend in together. Going in with my Bobbi brown foundation, which is one of my favorite foundations as it has full coverage, and I'm just using my beauty blender to blend everything in. I'm using the dabbing motion, not the swiping motion, because dabbing motion makes sure that I pack all the product in and not swiping it away. Also, I'm going in with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in HD just to highlight underneath my eyes as well as the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that I primed my face using the L.A Girl primer spray just to hydrate my face before applying the foundation. Again, using the same beauty blender, I'm just kind of like blending in that concealer just so that everything can look smooth and clean. Now using my blending brush, I'm just blending in that concealer a bit more near my eyes, as I don't like the lines that were there. I just wanted everything to look crisp and clean. Now I'm using the L.A Girl blush collection, and I'm just going in with that brown shade to kind of contour my nose as well as the sides of my cheeks, creating sort of like an illusion of a higher cheekbone. Also contouring my forehead, because your girl's got a big forehead. Then going in with the L.A Girl Pro powder in HD translucent powder, I'm just going to set in that concealer and that we use to highlight my underneath my eyes, as well as just underneath that contour. Using my powder brush, I'm just brushing away all that excess powder that's left after setting our highlights, cream highlights. Now I'm using the same palette from L.A Girl, and I'm just using the beautiful pink blush and not overdoing it, just a bit, just to give us some color on our face. Then using the highlighter, which I was quite surprised that it actually is pigmented than I had hoped for. I'm very happy about this palette. Also highlighting the bridge of my nose. Using the Essence Instant Matte setting spray just to set my makeup. And actually this matting setting spray actually works. I love it because it's affordable and it lasts the whole day. Then going in with the Scarlet Hill lipstick, and this one is called Remember Me. It's a beautiful dark red lipstick. Using my concealer again from L.A Girl, I'm just making sure I clean out around my lips. Now using my brush just to clean that in. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you.